Hi, my name is Joel Haler, and the first time I talked to the mold doctors, we were a little panicked. We found black mold and asbestos in our home. Especially with a newborn, we were concerned about his health and what all he had breathed in, and so our first phone call was actually relieving. They were out here within less than 24 hours, which was super, super helpful and put us at peace about just the situation that we found ourselves in. We had to have a complete overhaul of our crawl space. We had severe water damage, black mold and asbestos in our kitchen leading into our son's room, and so we ended up having to have new flooring, new countertops, new cabinets, and then we did end up having to have our hardwoods refinished as well. They helped with the insurance claims process really solely. I didn't have to do very much myself at all. I had one interaction with my adjuster, and Mold Doctors took care of everything else. It was awesome, actually. Genuinely, because this was our first, claim as a homeowner, and I have no frame of reference for what to do, what that process looks like, and so to be able to have them to actually do it for me was extremely helpful. So working with their teams is actually really enjoyable. Not only were they professional, extremely helpful, but they were very kind, very respectful, and very honoring of our home, and always asked a lot of questions that really built just trust, and I knew what they were doing was the right thing. I think they have delivered above and beyond what was promised, and so quality-wise, I think the Mold Doctors have done not just sufficient work, but excellent work. The results are just absolutely incredible, and I'm forever grateful for the Mold Doctors.